Have you ever wanted to make $500 a day for simply copying and pasting videos you find on YouTube? Here's how you do it. And in less than an hour, I will show you how to make money via YouTube. You don't have to make your own content, and you don't have to speak in the videos. You can use free motivational speeches and cut and paste on YouTube using a certain format below. You're literally 3 to 4 steps away from making your first dollar on YouTube. Let's get started. First, finding free motivational speeches. The last step is to get hold of some good free motivational speeches. One good place to find speeches is archive.org. Here's how you do it. Go to the website and type motivational speeches in the search bar. Organize the results by most relevant or most views. To see what other people have found useful, click on the above phrase. Finding speeches, general. Speeches, subsets include classics and modern works like Euripides, Iphigenia in Aulis, Aristophanes, Frogs and Clouds, and contemporary pieces like Les Brown, The Home of Champions, and Jim Rohn. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? To download the speech, below the transcript are icons. Click on the icon for the MP3 version of the speech. Then click on the download link. Before you do that, choose the format you want, probably MP3, and then save the file to your computer. Now, making videos. Of the above speeches, you can now use the audio files to generate the videos. Here's how to make your video by using stock footage in a video editor such as InVideo. Sign up to InVideo, register for InVideo. They have a free version, but the business account, which is $15 per month, removes the watermarks and gives you access to the premium media. Upload your speeches. To upload the motivational speeches, do this. Navigate to the InVideo upload folder on your desktop. Pair audio with stock footage. Select and sync stock footage to correspond with speech themes, e.g. people in suits equals success talk, people in gym equals fitness talk. Paraphrase, edit the text into human sounding text, but keep the citations and quotes the same. Trim and sync your video footage. Make sure to trim and sync your video footage to correspond with the speech. Give all credit to the speakers in the video's description. Export your video. When you're done, export your video to a high definition 1080p file. Setting up your YouTube channel. Before you upload videos, first you need a professional looking YouTube channel. Create a channel. If you don't already have one, create a new channel. Step 2. What to name your channel. Use a business name generator to come up with a cool name with words related to motivation or inspiration. Motivation Connect, for instance. Create cover, art, and profile pictures. Canva is a simple website, but a great tool to make text and image-based designs for your YouTube channel, emails, or Facebook page. Use this to your advantage. Keep the profile picture and your banner, that horizontal image you see below your video, simple and pretty, aesthetically speaking, and consistent to what you're trying to achieve. Be simple and professional. Channel art upload. Add your profile picture and your banner to make your channel look professional and credible. uploading and optimizing videos. With your channel ready, it's time to upload and optimize your videos. Post your video, click on YouTube Studio, select Create, then Upload Video. Optimize the title and description. Derive the title and description from the main keywords. Make the title more attractive. For instance, Les Brown Motivational Speech, one of the greatest speeches ever given. Add affiliate links. You can start earning via affiliate links from day one by putting them into the description of your video too. There are companies where you can sign up to an affiliate program such as ClickBank, and you can shorten your affiliate links to make them more attractive. For example, with a link shortener like bit.ly. Speakers acknowledgement in your description. How about you also mention the name of the speakers of your videos as a courtesy? Use tags and thumbnails to your advantage. This is obvious but important. Make sure to use tags when you post a video so that you get in front of the right crowd, and take the time to make a pretty thumbnail in order to attract eyes. You can make thumbnails using Canva. Monetizing your channel. Although affiliate links can start making you revenue from day one, the dream is to start earning via YouTube's partner program, past YouTube's monetization requirements. Currently, to monetize, your channel needs to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. Once you're eligible, you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program and put ads to monetize your videos. Earn more, continue posting quality videos constantly in order to grow your channel and bring in the most ad revenue. Conclusion. Making $500 a day from cutting and pasting motivational videos on YouTube is easy. To do this, simply take these 7 steps. 1. Get something for nothing. 2. Chop a few online videos up using some simple free video editing software. 3. Post to YouTube. 4. Make yourself good. Really good. 5. Pimp a few ideas. 6. Inflate your image. 7. Cash in. It's that easy. Do it now. This is your call to action. Do whatever I say, and 2. You'll soon join the ever-growing club of young millionaires making thousands of dollars a day by talking shit via YouTube. Get something for nothing. You need a computer, access to YouTube, and the will to succeed. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to channel for more investing videos like this.